Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a part two. I finally took the engine out and a whole bunch of other stuff that I probably didn't need to. Um, so what we found after we opened it was mostly that the damage is in the cylinder. So let me see if I can get a good view of that. You can see all those scratches. So it's basically just piston slap. So that's pretty bad. I just ordered a new cylinder instead of repairing that one. And if I can find the piston, it's been about 2 weeks since we last worked on it, just because we've been waiting on parts. It kind of took a long time. So this is the piston. It also has a lot of car buildup, but look at these sides. It's pretty bad. And it goes along with not having enough oil. When I got it, she said that she ran it without oil for a bit, because she let it go too low on it. So this is the damage that'll cause, something like that. And the little bit of oil that it did have, it got burnt, as you can see in there. So that's that. So we're about to we just got the parts in. We're about to put it back together. Everything else seems really good, really clean, really smooth. So we're gonna go from there. So that's part two. And just wait. Hopefully we'll get most of it put back, and we'll be able to hopefully ride in a few weeks. Well, I'm hoping for a week, but you just never know. Thanks again.